Hey, careful, careful. Hold on. I'm coming, hold on.
Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. In today's adventure, I'm going to show you the scenic walk from Portrane to Donabate. This footpath is about 4 kilometers long, but there is another loophole trail which takes about 3 to 4 hours of walking. Today we are going to do the short walk along the coast that leads past impressive cliffs and offers stunning views to the Irish Sea and Lambay Island. This is Portrane. It's on the way to Donabate, and I've never been on this cliff walk, but it's very beautiful. Oh, you know what? This is really cool. We see one brave man who is going for a swim. We had a heat wave the previous week, but now it's so much cooler. I definitely wouldn't dare to swim at this weather. Donabate is a small coastal town which is mainly a residential area with population of approximately 8,000 people. The town is on a peninsula 20 kilometers to the northeast of Dublin. The reason I wanted to show you this small town is because it has a cliff walk that offers stunning scenery and views to the Irish Sea and to the Lambay Island. At the same time, you will hardly see any people around, especially on a weekday. So if you want to spend time in the nature, soak up some breathtaking views, and at the same time enjoy some peaceful time, this would be the perfect spot for you. Do you think it's wise?
Good luck.
Jesus!
Hey. First put your back properly, but without that it will be little difficult for you. Now, go. There.
Jesus! I think I'm not gonna chance it to go down.
Go on.
Huh?
Go on. You're already there.
I'm afraid. It's a bit slippery, I think. I'm sliding. You know what? I don't think I will go. And of course, like a typical woman, I changed my mind.
Hey, careful. Hold on. I'm coming, hold on.
What you saw in this video is me sliding in the mud and then holding myself really tight to the grass. And if Mitul didn't come to rescue me, I was going to roll down and have an accident. That's a good lesson for everyone who puts their life in danger while trying to get the perfect picture or video. It's not worth it, guys. Always wear appropriate shoes, read the signs, and be careful no matter how tempting it looks.
I wonder which island is that. It might be Lambay. It might be Lambay, the one which I was telling you, that is privately owned.
This island is privately owned?
And it has kangaroos.
That was the correct guess. Just across you can see the Lambay Island. It's located 4 kilometers offshore from Portrane. It has 300 plant varieties, large populations of birds, and a colony of wallabies. The wallabies were transferred from the Dublin Zoo and their population has grown.
Albania,
Yellow?
Irish, I have no idea.
This is Israeli, I think, or Palestine maybe. Green, white, black, red.
We have to check later. We have to. But I wonder what this obsession is with the flags.
A huge shout out to Mitul, who is helping me to make my videos more interesting. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to join me on my next adventure, which is going to take you to the beautiful town of Dunleary.